Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE, and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. Register for Stellar Talent Search exam for class 7 to 12. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco, and Porvorim.
आज आम्ही 10 स्पीड गन्स, लेझर ट्रॅक, ऍडव्हान्स फुली डिजिटल पोर्टेबल लेझर ऑपरेटेड हे आम्ही स्पीड गन्स आमचे पुलिसे हँडओव्हर करतात. हेच्या आधी आम्ही 4 तांकां हँडओव्हर केल्ले. सो नाव दे आर गोइंग टू हॅव 14 सच स्पीड गन्स where people driving rashly, negligently and at high speed, breaking the speed limit what is prescribed, will be violators. They will be booked and they will have to face the music. Now having said this, आम्ही black spots जे identify केले त्यांचेही it is a work in progress. Many places we have corrected it. It is the PWD doing this, but we are pressing for it because we have regularly had our road safety council meetings and we have been going ahead trying to improve that. 1st June, the artificial intelligence used cameras which have been installed by the PWD again through our department. They have been the agencies or they selected the agencies which I want to make it clear. And there was some little hitch as far as the message junction is concerned. They said there was overflow of traffic, too much of traffic, it did not work. I think they have pulled up their socks already and I expect an improvement. So from 1st, we will be making those cameras also operational. We are in the process of procuring also alcometers. I think 70 alcometers and breath analyzers are being procured. I think in a month's time, we will give them to the police, even those particular things.